Hello everybody, my name is Brianna. This is my first time making a YouTube video and I'm making slime. My name is Brianna Campbell. I live in Iqaluit, Nunavut, XOA-OHO, that's my postal code. And I am making slime with Elmer's school glue, some shaving foam, and some Tide. You can use any kind of Tide, like just Tide, or either eye contact solution, so-called activator, but I call Tide my activator. So yeah. So I will be making slime for you guys today, and please hit that subscribe button or the like button. And please tell me how, ask any kind of questions, and how, it doesn't matter what kind of shaving cream you have. If it changes into a different color, it's all right. Don't need to panic, okay? I have this little container here, and I have a whole gallon of Elmer's school glue. So, let's start. So, let's get some of that glue in there.
What are you doing?
That's my cousin, Denise Campbell, and she is very nosy.
How dare you?
So, I added my glue, and then next I'm going to add my Tide. That would be at least enough, or you might need more, maybe later. So, let's put that lid back on there. There. And then let's mix this together first. Already looks like it's forming into slime, but it actually really isn't. Just makes it look like it, but it is forming. It makes it way better when you put the shaving cream. I'm making fluffy slime.
Well, soon you're gonna have to make something different.
You are allowed to copy me making this kind of slime. So now, first, before adding the shaving cream, you shake it well. And I have this cap here so it doesn't really all come out. So, I'm gonna add the shaving cream. Makes it very fluffy. And then you just put it back on because it's gonna make it a little better. It smells good. I wish you guys could smell this, but I'm pretty sure your dad has shaving cream or something, and you can just always use it. If you get in trouble, blame your siblings. Because I have 4 siblings. They're all half siblings. I have a baby, 2 sisters. Well, one's a stepsister, but I have a baby sister named Aaliyah from my dad's side. And I have 3 other siblings from my mom's side. So there's Peter, there's Cassidy, and there's Joseph. And I am the oldest. Well, that is awesome. But yeah, I have to do a lot of things because I have to teach them things. And here too, my cousin Denise, she is the oldest. She barely has to do anything. But it's alright. I'm pretty sure she does a lot of things that we don't even know about. I feel like I'm really embarrassing her, but I feel like I'm even embarrassing myself because there's my goal is to get at least maybe at least 1,000 subscribers or likers, because this is my first time. It would be so scary to get 1 million. That's crazy, but it's awesome if I did. And you can become my friend because I like anybody, but I may argue with you guys. So this is what it looks like, but I am still mixing. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing other things like challenges, but I know I cannot do the saying yes challenge for 24 hours. That would be just crazy. It would blow my mind. I'd do it to somebody, but not my siblings. But it would be all right. right, I would do it to my siblings.
But they would get mad.
Yeah, if, like, I probably wouldn't say yes. I'd probably just leave the house because I can not be home for such a long time. Only when it's school days. Next Tuesday, I go back to school. Oh, by the way, Denise, my phone's right here. She made it come a little closer, but I'm making it farther so you guys can see me better. You can see my
Sorry.
beautiful face. Just kidding. Well, I am beautiful. I'm 12 years old. That's crazy. I feel so young. But I am young. I'm happy I'm young. But you know what? The thing is, I love babies. I am so obsessed with them. Right, Denise?
What, babies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm obsessed with babies. They're so cute.
I did nothing. It fell. I just went like this and then
Sorry about that. My phone is being a little clumsy. Just kidding. Phones can't go clumsy. But yeah, this is going pretty well. It is formed all the way. I will show you that I'm going to play with it pretty soon. Okay. Let me just move all the stuff. I may only put. I have other slimes too. Actually, in school, we sell slime, and I sell slime for $2. And they're in these Ziploc containers. Like, only $2 for like this much of slime, and it stretches really well. Only like little kids buy slime from me, but I'm like, it's okay. At least I make progress. So I am going to add a little more shaving cream because it looks kind of bad right now.
and this
I love the amazing noise of shaving cream. And yes, I do have Snapchat. I'll show you my username in a little bit, and you guys could add me anytime. Just tell me your name on the thing. I'll accept you. And please, Karina and Ronald, Sis versus Bro, I love your guys' videos. So please add me if you see this video. You can call it hashtag slime is the best, hashtag Brianna, and hashtag slime ingredients.
is stuck on me.
Denise, you didn't even ask to play with my slime. Go wash your hands.
I don't want to get the thing.
Did you guys have lunch?
Mm-mm.
No.
You guys must be getting hungry.
We
Yeah,
are
we
hungry.
What do you guys want?
I don't know, whatever.
KFC?
Big crunch.
Ooh, we're gonna have KFC.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
amazing. Yes, please, James.
Okay.
James here. He is my godfather. Can you say hi?
Hi.
He's the best guy in the world. He is so nice.
Hmm?
Hmm?
Yeah, KFC.
So,
Big Crunch? What else?
I actually don't know what I want. You guys pick what I should have for lunch from KFC. Which is the best?
What?
Okay.
You want Big Crunch, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and you?
I'll have. What should I have?
Can I have 2 big crunches?
2? That's too much.
I can save them for later.
No, that's too much.
I'll have popcorn chicken, please.
Okay.
Guys, I finally decided what I'm having for lunch. I am having popcorn chicken, the best. Or either a twister, like a popcorn poutine, popcorn chicken, big crunch, a twister. Oh, I love twisters. But I hate it with the tomatoes and lettuce, so I only have it with the chicken. And spicy mayo.
You look spicy mayo.
I love spicy mayo. So, look at this. It's looking amazing. So, this is my first time, and at least for now, I want at least 100 subscribers. Because if I get more than that, I'm going to be so hyped up. I really want to celebrate. I live in Iqaluit, Nunavut. So, just to let you guys know, I am Inuit. Oh, there. That's perfect. So, what are we going to do? We are going to make bubbles. So, let's get the last little bit of that shaving cream. Usually right now, the slime would be white, but I didn't put enough shaving cream, so it's blue because of the tide. And it is feeling amazing. I love making that noise. So, that is Denise. She is very nice. She is kind. My phone just almost got stuck in the slime. It's such a relief it didn't. Denise, can you hold my phone for me while I make a bubble for these amazing people?
Yeah, sure, whatever.
Sometimes she actually can be mean.
Yeah.
So just hold it like this. And right here. Yep. So this is my dining table. Well, not mine, but it's pretty big. So let's move those things aside. Let's move the slime over here. And this is my amazing backpack, as you cannot see it. I love this noise, love doing that. Let's just move that a little more back. I don't want anything to stick to anything. Any slime. Some slime gets stuck on the table. So I'm going to make a proper bubble. Ready? I love that satisfyingness when it makes that noise. I just love it. I am obsessed with this, but I love the bubbles. So, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Oh my god.
That's pretty big. So this might bake. Oh my god, that is so satisfying, guys. Like literally, you guys gotta really try make this kind of slime. So I'm putting the cap on the big gallon of glue. And look, as you can see my beautiful backpack. Denise gave it to me because I couldn't stop begging. I couldn't stop saying, please, 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 I really like it. And then till one day, she finally said, I don't use that backpack anymore. You can have it. I was like, thank you. It's sticky. Stop it. You're gonna tell me. We love slime, but it's annoying when it's sticky. Ah, I hate it. Yeah.
Can I play with one of your slimes?
It's still gonna be sticky.
Oh.
Woo! Look at that gorgeous bubble. It has holes, so it's not going to stay up long. I love the sound of the bubbly noise. When my hands are cold, it makes it really cold and less stretchy. But right now, my hands are like warmish. So, oh, that was a tiny bubble. I love that popping noise and squishy noise and this noise. The crunch. So satisfying. I love this. It's amazing. So please subscribe and hit that like button. And yeah, I do not know what to call this, but it's gonna be called Brianna's Slime. Hashtag Brianna's Slime. Well, so yeah, I finally made this a success.